Okay. Hi everyone. This is Jenny from Shenzhen Visualeader, and now I'm on ISE with my Visualeader team. Now I'm going to show you our very good solution for outdoor fixed installation. This is our latest Pixel Pitch P4.2, our M series panel for outdoor fixed installation. It's full front access. Both modules and the power box can be took out from the front side, and it's also this product the IP grade can up to IP67. It's a full aluminum cabinet, so it's gonna be a very good solution for outdoor fixed installation. Well, if you want to know more information about our company and our product, please visit our website on www.visualeader.com. Thank you for your watching.